Have you ever wondered about the rarest flowers that nature has to offer? Imagine a world where the petals tell stories and the colors are more vivid than a painter's palette. Today, we delve into the enchanting realm of unique flowers, exploring the globe to discover the top 10 floral wonders in their native environments. From the mystical allure of far-off lands to the hidden corners of familiar places, these blooms offer a glimpse into the extraordinary. Join us as we embark on a floral journey like no other. Imagine a sea of pink and white petals. This is the enchanting vision that greets you in Japan during the cherry blossom or sakura season. Spanning from late March to early April, this period transforms parks, streets, and riversides into breathtaking canvases of soft hues. Cherry blossoms are not just a beautiful spectacle, they are deeply woven into the fabric of Japanese culture, symbolizing the transient nature of life. This cultural icon inspires people from across the globe to partake in Hanami, the traditional cherry blossom viewing festival. Here, families and friends gather under blooming trees, sharing food and laughter, creating memories in the fleeting moments of the blossom's peak. For those planning to visit, it's wise to keep an eye on the regional blossom forecasts to ensure you arrive at the perfect time. Also, embrace the local tradition. Grab a picnic blanket, some local snacks, and immerse yourself in the joyous atmosphere of Hanami. Next, a flower that blooms in the most unexpected of places. Ready for something truly out of the ordinary? Let's delve into the mysterious world of the corpse flower or Titan arum, a behemoth of the plant kingdom. This remarkable flower is famed not only for its enormous size but also for its rather peculiar odor reminiscent of decaying flesh. It's a scent that's as unforgettable as it is pungent, evolved to attract carrion-eating beetles and flesh flies that serve as its pollinators. Nestled in the lush rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, the corpse flower grows in the wild, thriving in the humid, nutrient-rich soil. Witnessing this giant bloom is a rare spectacle, primarily because its blooming cycle is highly unpredictable. It can take up to a decade for a single bloom, and when it does, the flower lasts just about 24 to 48 hours. For the intrepid traveler, consulting with local guides is essential. They can offer invaluable insights and updates on potential blooming events, enhancing your chances of experiencing this natural marvel firsthand. From a giant in Indonesia, we move to a delicate rarity in the UK. A phantom among flowers, the Ghost Orchid. This elusive bloom is a true hidden treasure, nestled in the secluded, wooded areas of England. Known for its ethereal beauty and the rarity of its appearance, the Ghost Orchid does indeed live up to its spectral name. Spotting this rare flower is a gentle reminder of nature's delicate balance. It flourishes in the undisturbed nooks of ancient forests, often clinging to the bark of old trees in damp, shadowy environments. To catch a glimpse of this elusive beauty, one must tread lightly, respecting its natural home. This means keeping to the paths, minimizing noise, and using binoculars or a camera with a good zoom to admire this rarity from a respectful distance. The best time to venture into these mystical woods is during the late summer months. This is when the Ghost Orchid is most likely to reveal itself, blooming silently amidst the greenery. Crossing the Atlantic, our next stop offers a fiery spectacle. Fiery reds and vivid oranges paint the landscape here. Welcome to Zimbabwe, where the flame lily, with its dramatic swirls of color, dances in the breeze like flames licking the air. This striking flower is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a symbol of national pride, revered as the national flower of Zimbabwe. The flame lily's allure doesn't just lie in its appearance. This flower is a wanderer's delight, often found accentuating the wild, untamed gardens of Zimbabwe's vast landscapes. For those keen on witnessing this spectacle, the best spots are often off the beaten path, in areas where nature remains untouched by the hustle of the modern world. Visiting during the rainy season, from November to March, offers the most vibrant display as the rains awaken the dormant seeds and the landscape bursts into a vivid palette of colors that seem almost surreal. Now let's turn to a flower that is as mysterious as it is beautiful. Ever heard of a flower rarer than the black rhino? Meet Middlemist Red, a flower so rare that it vanishes almost entirely from its original habitat. Originally from China, this vibrant pink beauty found a new lease on life halfway across the world in New Zealand, thanks to the efforts of passionate conservationists. Middlemist Red is not just a flower, it's a survivor, clinging to existence with only 2 known specimens left in the world. One of these precious blooms can be found nestled in the Wellington Botanic Garden, Stepping into the garden, visitors are transported into a realm where conservation meets beauty, a testament to the dedication of those who refuse to let this floral gem disappear. For those planning a visit, Wellington's temperate climate offers the perfect backdrop for this rare spectacle. Spring and early summer are ideal for catching the full splendor of Middlemist Red in bloom. Remember, while capturing its beauty, respect the efforts to preserve such a rare species. Next, a journey to a flower that thrives in the cold. In the land of ice and fire blooms a remarkable survivor. Amidst the rugged landscapes and stark beauty of Iceland, the Arctic poppy stands out with its delicate yet resilient nature. This hardy little flower thrives where few others can, pushing through thin soil and braving harsh winds. The Arctic poppy is a testament to the power of adaptation. Its bright yellow blossoms tilt towards the sun, soaking up every bit of warmth in the cool climate. During the summer months, when the sun graces the horizon nearly all day, these pops of yellow dot the tundra, creating a stark contrast against the vast open landscapes. For those drawn to the paths less traveled, visiting Iceland to witness this spectacle is a journey worth taking. Summer is the ideal time to see the tundra come alive with the Arctic poppy's vibrant blooms. Remember, while exploring these fragile ecosystems, it's crucial to travel responsibly. Adhere to eco-friendly practices and always leave no trace, preserving the pristine beauty for generations to come. From the frosty Arctic, we dive into tropical brilliance. A cascade of turquoise unlike any other. Welcome to the enchanting world of the Jade Vine, a spectacular display of nature's artistry, tucked away in the lush rainforests of the Philippines. This rare flower with its striking claw-shaped blooms hangs elegantly from the trees, painting the landscape in hues of mint and aquamarine. The jade vine is native to these vibrant ecosystems, and seeing it in full bloom is an experience like no other. For the best viewing, plan your visit during the dry season, which spans from January to May. This period not only promises the finest weather, but also the most vivid floral displays. For those keen on exploring more than just the jade vine, numerous tours are available that delve into the rich biodiversity of the area. These tours offer a deeper understanding of the ecological tapestry that supports such unique flora, making your trip both enlightening and awe-inspiring. Our floral adventure is nearing its end, but not before this next extraordinary bloom. A flower that blooms for a single night. In the serene landscapes of Sri Lanka, the Kadupal flower emerges as the epitome of fleeting beauty. This rare gem, native to the lush tropical forest, chooses the cloak of night to unveil its splendor. By the time the sun rises, its delicate petals have wilted, leaving no trace of its nocturnal majesty. For those eager to witness this extraordinary event, local accommodations offer a unique opportunity. Staying nearby not only maximizes your chances of seeing the Kadupal bloom, but also immerses you in the warmth of Sri Lankan hospitality. The spiritual significance of the Kadupal flower runs deep in the local culture. Revered as a sacred offering to the gods, it's believed that the flower's ephemeral nature symbolizes the impermanence of life, reminding us to cherish every moment. Our final stop takes us to an unexpected location. A flower that enchants with a scent of chocolate. Imagine wandering through the lush landscapes of Mexico and stumbling upon the chocolate cosmos, a flower as rare as it is delightful. Native only to this vibrant land, this dark burgundy blossom captivates not just with its appearance but with its sweet chocolatey aroma that permeates the air around it. The chocolate cosmos is a treasure found in the heart of Mexico's botanical gardens. For those intrigued by its unique charm, the best times to visit are during the cooler, less crowded months from October to November. During these months, the weather is mild, making your exploration of the gardens not just comfortable but thoroughly enchanting. Local conservation efforts play a crucial role in preserving the delicate beauty of the chocolate cosmos. These initiatives ensure that this rare flower continues to thrive, allowing future generations to experience its unique allure. As our journey concludes, remember that the world's beauty often lies in its rarest corners. We've traveled the globe together, from the serene landscapes of Japan to the vibrant heart of Mexico. Each destination revealed a unique flower, from the delicate cherry blossoms to the rare chocolate cosmos. These botanical wonders not only delight the senses but also remind us of our duty to preserve and protect nature's masterpieces. As we journey, let's tread lightly, respecting the environments that nurture these floral treasures. If you enjoyed this floral expedition, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty that blooms around you.